My question is regarding a dream I saw in which promised Messiah alayhi salam was in a white dress and in the sujood position. Please, if you could explain this dream.
So it is a good dream. It means that promised Messiah alayhi salam was praying to Allah Ta'ala, and he showed you that if you wish to get closer to Allah Ta'ala, you should also be in sajda position, and while offering your prayer, you pray fervently, strongly, and bow before Allah Ta'ala, do sajda to Allah Ta'ala, and whenever you need anything, you always ask from Allah Ta'ala. And the best position, getting a close relation to Allah Ta'ala, is the sajda, the height of humility. And when you do sajda, that means you are completely submitted to Allah Ta'ala. So, the Prophet Islam has shown you that you should also pray in this way.
Jazakallah.